everybody, welcome to another hotel tapping video. At Melia White House, London. So this is one of my favorite hotels. They have so many of them. They have some in Spain. And basically, I just love staying here in London. I thought I would just give you a little room tour. I know you love room tours. So we have here, they always give you a free complimentary bottle of water. And this is still water. Flow like water, live in the moment and enjoy your stay. I love the blue and green colours. Hotel services. Then we have the breakfast order. I'm gonna go for breakfast in the morning, and then I'm gonna go to the gym first. Then I'm gonna go for a breakfast. So we can have. So please hang outside the door before 2 a.m. Breakfast is available from 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then we can have tea, coffee, apple juice, cranberry juice, orange juice, milk, oats, soya, almond. Then we can just put any notes, any tips that you want to add. Then we have it in a different language here. So these are my favourite things about this room, the pictures. Just look at that gold frame. Wow. It's just so pretty. I love the crown. Love the detail. And look at this guy and his bow. He is dressed so posh. He is dressed so posh. I love this part here. And then we have over here this is my favorite. You can just switch this on just colour these pictures. You can just colour these. It's just blank paper here. Housekeeping, emergency, room service, wake up, taxi. I wonder if this still works, the taxi. The bed is my favourite. Oh, just look how comfortable this is. Oh my goodness. I love lots of cushions. The menu, the pillow menu. I did not know they had a pillow menu. Wow. So there's a cervical pillow and a V-shaped pillow, which is crafted with medical treatment in mind. Natural buckwheat pillow, water pillow. I actually might get one of those. Like, how do we get a water pillow? OMG, I have to get one. Lavender pillow infused with dried lavender. And chamomile pillow infused with dried chamomile. How have I never known about this? Mini bar, little treats to enjoy your stay. Water, Franklin lemonade, Coke, Diet Coke, Peroni beer, Real Crisp sea salt, Kit Kat, Four Fingers milk, and M&M chocolate.